The case I'm currently working on is both the most interesting one and at the same time the biggest challenge they have. So it's a performance testing in one of my projects. I'm responsible for creating the whole process and the test script from the scratch. In previous companies, it was either outsourced or it was just a basic testing done. So here I have an option to develop it from the scratch.
One of the most interesting problems to solve at the moment is the optimization of data processing from both code and infrastructure viewpoint. We need to handle data without prior knowledge of maximum input size. The key to our success lies in effective auto-scaling of the application and right code optimization.
We need to store the data in such a way that it can be possible to change the data schema without having to deploy the app once again.
The most interesting case and problem during the whole project is to reconcile the level of automated tests together with the execution time. We want to have it short to deliver the value to the team, but on the other hand, we want to automate the most of the things to get the proper confidence that everything works fine when we make changes in the code.
In our case, the biggest challenge in the project was to basically find the sweet spot between being able to deal with the technical debt that we encountered in the project, and also on the other hand, or at the same time, being able to provide the next features, the next very important pieces of functionalities which were required by the business.
Right now, one of our problems is about scaling and performance. I think that these are really interesting topics. Some changes are rather minor. Some of them require some complex solutions on top of our architecture or even some architectural changes. So this is really interesting topic for us.
The most significant challenge we are currently facing in one of the projects is designing the system that can seamlessly handle an unknown and potentially enormous huge of data. And this requires from us a precise combination of code optimization and effective infrastructure management. To be prepared for those different scenarios, we simulate various scenarios and various loads of data to anticipate potential system hiccups. This proactive testing helps us to stay prepared and be agile, which is crucial in this project.
One of the biggest challenges we faced was related with the artificial intelligence engine we are using in the project. The main problem we encountered and that was affecting our end user was related with the performance and also the way we actually integrate with those blocks. In this case, we just made sure that we fully understand the issues that are coming out of it. We were able to actually provide a great improvement in the overall performance, which resulted in much better user experience for the end users.
We can say that the project succeeded when the customer is satisfied. We delivered the app that meets their requirements. We delivered the app that meets high quality standards, and they can further use it, sell it, do whatever they want with it.
I think that the biggest success of the project is when everyone is happy about the project, when project is mature, that it has a great monitoring, observability, some kind of alerts, that everyone knows from the tech side what is exactly happening on production, but also when the production application gives the business value and customer are happy about it.
What we can call a successful project is the thing that we are able to support, we are able to continuously improve over time, so making the product great tech, but also a great tool for the end users and providing the value for them.